Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Right now, I'm here at the published residence, and we are here to pay our last tribute, our respect to the most wonderful woman of Baguio City, who is renowned newscaster, and the person behind the Midland Courier for all these years. So, this is a scenario of her wake here at Burgos, Baguio City. Hello, sir. Good evening.
Sala kayo.
These are my group. Hello, Ma'am Evelyn. How are you? How are you? Good evening. Yeah. And here is Ate Juliet. Hello.
We're gonna go at least Adonis. We go up na. We go up first.
This is
We'll go in 6 minutes.
Hello, Ma'am Julia.
So, mga 5 when we
No,
go
we'll
up
go in
na.
6 first.
We're going to first then we come back.
Hello, Ma'am Julia. Yes, yes.
Wait, LCN. Sige, tawin mo yun. We'll
Yeah.
call you and
Then,
ha?
when?
When they inform you.
So this is the way going up. So this is the way going up to her wake. These are the flowers given by friends. It's the first time that I have seen a bulk of flowers, such lots of flowers.
What month do they feel lost, girl?
Yes, ma'am. I just came from work, then went home to feed my mom. Then here I am
Yeah.
with a group of. Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
That's where she lies. Hi, Ate. Hi, ma'am. I still have your hat.
Yeah, go ahead. Gusto rin mapay.
Yes, I will enjoy using it. Independence Day. She died Independence Day. There she is. Mhm.